Hey.
Oh, yeah, baby. I know, and the elevator closes. Okay. I'm nervous.
Here we go.
I'm not nervous.
Say bye-bye, Zoo.
I'm pretty sure I'm going to fall down first.
Talk to him.
Love them and leave them. That's what I used to do.
I can't breathe.
Is go to McDonald's, baby. Order a large, order a French fries, baby. And I want to get a Big Mac sugar. So all the Toys R Us is basically closed, and I'm out here just trying to get, you know, a little bit of fame. People are taking my pictures and stuff. The other guys in the background don't even realize. So Timon said, if you turn your back on me, you turn your back on the world. So I turned my back on the world. So since Kevin Hart and The Rock made it out of Jumanji, we're still here.
He's staying right there because he came by. He was going to come get his toy.
So at the moment, I was doing Lego My Eggo commercials. Then I went to Fruit Loops, and they told me, you know what, I'll be better off in the zoo. I wish we were the real Ninja Turtles. That way we could eat pizza. I came here to get my powers back. I came here to get my powers back. I was losing my powers, so I had to come chill with the bats. I ended up getting the wrong powers from the wrong bats. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. And they said I wasn't the GOAT.
HustleDreamProduction.
So now that I put my duck clips in, combed everything down, you want to set in your first guideline. I'm setting in the bald line using my Andis cordless T outliner. Now, to create a blurry fade, sometimes you gotta go a little bit lower than normal. So I'm setting my bald line just a little bit lower so I can create that blurry effect. Next thing you want to do is just take out the rest of the bulk at the bottom. I'm using my wall magic clips and I'm just, knocking off the rest of the bulk. Using my Bronze Series 9s, these make the bottom half razor bald. It makes it real clean, real nice and smooth at the bottom, so it just creates another transition to your blend. Using my Babyliss Pro Rose Gold FX with the 1.5 guard open, I'm just taking off bulk. Notice how I'm using my comb, setting my comb as a guideline to where I want to stop. I'm just taking off bulk so that I can, see clearly on how I set my guidelines.
right now I'm just going to clipper over comb the top just to get that bulk area at the top to blend in a little bit better. Now it's time to set in your guidelines. I'm using my lever open and I'm going up about 1 inch, and I'm gonna make sure I keep it real consistent all the way through. So with the one guard open, same thing, go up. Now on this one, I am not going up a full inch because I'm gonna come behind it with the 1.5 guard. So I'm going about, half that inch and just setting it in that way. So with the 1.5 guard open, I'm going up that next, half an inch. With the 2 guard open, I'm running my clipper straight up. So dropping back down to the 1 guard open, I'm cleaning up that area between the 1 and the 1.5. With the 0.5 guard closed, in a flick out motion, flick out that middle line. So right now I'm gonna drop back down to the lever open, and I'm just gonna clean up that area that I didn't pick up with the 0.5 closed. So with the lever closed, in a flick out motion, flick out that bottom line. So this clipper is not zero gap, so it's going to be harder to try to take out that bottom line, but depending on the texture, you can take out that bottom line with this clipper. It just all depends. With this texture, I'm kind of sorta able to knock out that bottom line, but I'm still going to come back and clean it up. So like I said, it wasn't able to get out that bottom line 100%. So with my liners, I'm just gonna clean it up around that area in a flick out motion. So right now I'm just gonna take out my duck clips, saturate my client's hair with water. I'm gonna do some shear work. I'm gonna speed all of this up. I'm gonna be doing some cross-checking. I'm just gonna do a basic, front to back, taking off, let me see, about, I'm gonna take off a good 2 inches. But as far as doing the comb over part, it's just gonna be real basic. I'm gonna section it off and basically do my guidelines, set it that way. And like I said, I'm gonna speed this part up.
HustleDreamProduction.
So right now I'm gonna do blow dry and style. I'm gonna use my styling comb just to lift the hair up and curl it over. So after I do the blow dry and style part, I like to come behind and do some clipper over comb just to get the areas that I missed. So yeah, I'm just cleaning it up. Right here I'm going to set in my hard part, and remember, we're doing a hard part, there's 2 sides to a line. So right now I'm going downward, and you're going to make sure you flip the blade over and do it upward. YouTube, this is the cut. And if you like it, make sure you give it a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button. If you want to know where you can get any tools that you've seen in this video, make sure you check out the links in the description below. If you like the beat, make sure you go over to Hustle Dreams Productions on YouTube. Check out the link in the description below. Otherwise, make sure you guys follow me on Instagram and Snapchat. My Snapchat is Jeezy360 and my Instagram is 360Jeezy. But it's your boy 360Jeezy, and I'm out of here. Cheers.